So this is my MRS 2000. I had it for the last maybe 6 months, and there's a lot of questions about the spacers, rack spacers, to increase the angle, because there's nothing on it on the internet. I'm going to show if it really increases the angle. Let me take the line right now, then I'll show you. This is what the stock angle right now. And I will try it after I do the rack spacers. So here I'm about to remove it. This is how it is stock. You can see there's no play here, inside and out, so it's good. I'm going to use this tool. I don't know if you have it. Focus. This is a tire rod remover tool. Give it an extension there, or a socket, or a ratchet. I'm going to remove it now, and going to measure here and see what size fits. So as you can see, I removed this. I measured the rack is 22 millimeters, and here is 14. So you can find one, but I didn't have some, so I'll make my own. I grabbed some when I grabbed some washers which were 21 from the outside, and I drilled them to make them 14 from the inside. So I'm making two washers, 1.5 each, so to be 3 here, so you can see. There's 8 threads remaining. Focus. 3 millimeter spacer. So I calculated, because I have a BMW 36, so this is an arm from a 36. They can recognize, I think. Some can recognize it. They do 4 millimeter spacers, right? Mine has it also. And I calculate how much thread. It's like 8 also. So 3 millimeter spacer with 8 threads should be okay. I had never had trouble with those on my 36. So I'm going to make this side, and then I'm going to make the other. So before installing them, you might put some grease over here and some thread lock over here, so that it wouldn't come loose. Let's begin. The other side has been removed. Now I'll do the same and put it in with the washers and see how much lock there is now. So everything is ready, both tie rods, the alignment also straight now, and look the difference. This was before, here you can see, and this one is new. You can see the difference. So that proves that steering rack spacers do in fact increase steering angle, even on this MRS. Because before, from inside, there were like this difference from rear of the tire to the torsion bar, and now it's like 1 centimeter. So it's like 15 millimeter difference. And after this, here's what's in store for it. But that's another day.